Hello, this is John of Art and welcome again. Let's learn Ilonggo. The word for today is bahala. Oftentimes, we've heard of the word being spoken by most Filipinos because this is an expression commonly spoken all over the country regardless of dialect. Bahala came from the word bahala. Bahala is the Filipino name for God. When the expression bahala na is used, it means bahala nawa. Leave it up to God. Bahala na. God will take care of that, or it's all up to God. Now, bahala na comes in various forms as well. When the situation is you leave it up to divine intervention, so you say bahala na. So when you say bahala na, you're taking all the risks and you leave it up to God, or by chance, or by happenstance, or whatever. It's beyond your control, but still you take the risk, and may God help you. Let it be, whatever happens, come what may. Bahala ka. Sometimes this is used as an expression to tell that someone who takes that risk, it means it's up to you, or it's up to whatever decision you're making, or may God help you as well. If the person is so stubborn, won't take advice, will do it anyway in spite of the advice, you'd say bahala ka. The tone would be, it's like giving up on this person. Bahala ka. Okay, you do it your way. Have it your way. Ako bahala. It means that I take charge. I'm in charge. I take responsibility. I take the risks. So ako bahala, or ako ang bahala. It's like, it's not really like taking God's responsibility or acting as God or like God, but it's merely taking responsibility for whatever happens. Ako ang bahala, I'll take care of that. If I spend for your tuition fee, for example, ako ang bahala, I'll take care of that. If I pay for your restaurant bill, ako ang bahala, I'll take care of that. Bahala siya, he or she will take care of that. Bahala sila, it's not the same thing. However, if you say bahala sila, it's more like the tone of speaking would be similar to bahala ka. It's up to you, so it's up to them, or they take, or it's their responsibility, it's their risk. Bahala sila. Na bahala, on the other hand, means bothered. So, sorry, nabahala kita. So, sorry for having bothered you, or sorry for having troubled you. So, because nabahala is descriptive for somebody who's bothered by all this additional responsibility that shouldn't have been his or hers in the first place. So, it's an additional burden to him or her that made him or her nabahala. There is this expression, ako ang bahala, ikaw ang kawawa. So it's a very common expression all over the country. It's more of a joke actually. It's like, ako ang bahala, ikaw ang kawawa. I take care of the responsibility, but it's all on you. Ikaw ang kawawa. Pity be on you, or a pitiful thing happened to this person. Kawawa. So it's more of a joke. I take care of that, but whatever bad happens, it's your fault. It's your responsibility. Well, it's not a nice way of saying it. That's why it's said more like a joke, because who wants to take responsibility? Whenever someone assures you that he or she will take responsibility, he or she might, but the consequences of that, it's your pity, ikaw ang kawawa. So that's how you use ako ang bahala, ikaw ang kawawa. Well, I hope you learned something new again today. If you find this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. This is Joan of Art, and see you once again in our next video. I'm here at Tippy's Bistro, by the way. Bye for now.